This video is about how to hold a knob grip. There are multiple ways to do it, and I've seen a lot over the years. The most common ones I've seen are like this, between the index finger and the tall finger, usually at the tip of the finger, although some people do it down here, although I think you have a lot less control when you bring it this far back in your hand versus here because you have more flexibility at the tip of the finger. I've also seen it like this, where people grip between the index finger and the thumb. I've also seen it like this, where people pull it down their hand and have the whole hand in front of the ball, and the ball is at the pinky and back end of the hand. And I've also seen it like this, where the palm is holding the whole knob. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to be able to switch comfortably between the grips while you're in flow, so that even while you're spinning, you can move from one grip to another and back again.